Hello, hello, my wonderful friends, and a very special warm welcome to you, David. I am just bursting with happiness to be here with you today.
Hi, Emily. Oh my goodness, I have been looking forward to this all week. My heart is actually racing because I am so ready to dive into the beauty of the English language.
Today, David, we are going to unlock a secret. We are talking about the most versatile, the most magical, and perhaps the most hardworking word in the entire English language, the word get.
Get. It sounds so small, so simple, but I see it everywhere, Emily. It's like a little golden key that fits into every single lock.
You are exactly right. It is a chameleon. Let's start with the first way we use it. Think of get as to obtain or to buy. Can you imagine walking into a cozy, fragrant bakery?
Oh, I can smell the fresh bread right now. I would say, I need to get some croissants for my family.
Warmly and encouragingly. Beautiful, exactly. You are obtaining them. You are bringing that joy into your life. It's such a physical, active word. It shows you are taking action. Amazing. That is so empowering. So whenever I go to a shop or receive a gift, I can use get. Like, I got a beautiful letter from my friend. Yes, you've got it. Oh, did you hear what I just said? You have got it. That leads us to our second meaning, to understand.
Oh, that is just incredible. So when the light bulb turns on in my head and everything becomes clear, I can say, I get it, softly with deep emotion.
Yes, it's that magical aha moment. It's when your soul finally connects with the meaning. When you get a joke or you get a difficult math problem, you are capturing the truth.
Inspirational. I love that so much. It makes learning feel like a treasure hunt. But Emily, what about when I feel different? Like when I start to feel sleepy?
Oh, David, you are a natural. That is the third way. Get means to become. It describes a change, a beautiful transformation from one state to another.
Reflectively. So I'm not just tired, I am getting tired. It's a journey. The sun is getting low and the air is getting cold.
Precisely. You are describing the movement of life itself. It's not a static picture, it's a movie. You are getting better at English every single second we speak.
That makes me feel so motivated. I can feel myself getting stronger and my confidence. But wait, I also hear people use it for travel, is that right?
Happily nodding. You are on fire today. Yes, we use get to mean arrive. Think about that feeling of relief when you finally step through your front door after a long trip.
Warmly, I finally got home. It sounds so much more personal and warm than just saying arrived. It feels like I've reached my destination.
With a tender tone. It really does. What time do you get to the party? When will we get to the beach? It's all about the excitement of reaching a goal.
Thoughtfully. So it's about buying things, understanding things, changing your feelings, and arriving at places. It's like one word does the work of four.
With high energy and a big gesture. It's a symphony of meanings, David, and you are the conductor. Don't be afraid to use it. Every time you say get, you are making your English sound more natural, more fluid, and more alive.
With deep gratitude. Thank you, Emily. I used to be so afraid of making mistakes, but now I feel like I have this wonderful new tool in my pocket. I'm actually getting excited to go practice.
Warmly, with a gentle hand on her heart. My heart is so full hearing you say that. Remember, David, and all of you listening, learning is a journey of the heart. You are doing a magnificent job.
With a determined and joyful expression, I won't give up. I'll keep getting better every day. This was truly a wonderful lesson.
With a final grand flourish. You are a star, David. Keep shining, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep getting all the joy you can out of this beautiful language. Until next time. Welcome, welcome, my dear David. I am just so incredibly thrilled to see your shining face today. Are you ready to embark on a beautiful linguistic journey?
Oh, Emily, I have been waiting for this moment all day. My heart is truly open and ready to learn. What is our special topic for today?
Today, we are unlocking a magnificent secret, a tiny word that carries the weight of the whole world. That word, my friend, is get.
Just 3 little letters? G-E-T? It seems so small, yet I hear native speakers use it in almost every single sentence.
Exactly. It is the Swiss Army knife of the English language. It is versatile, it is powerful, and it is the key to sounding natural. Imagine, David, one word that can transform your speech into something truly organic.
I have noticed that. When I listen to movies, people don't always use understand or arrive. They use get. Please, Emily, show me the way to use it.
Let's start with the mind. When you finally understand a difficult concept, you don't just understand it, you get it. Does that make sense to your heart?
Oh, I see. Like when a friend tells a funny joke and I finally laugh because I got it?
Yes, exactly. I get it. It feels so much more personal and warm, doesn't it? Like a light bulb suddenly switching on in your soul.
It really does. It feels like I'm finally part of the inner circle of the conversation, not just reading from a dusty old textbook.
Now, let's think about change. When the sun goes down and the sky turns purple, does it just become dark? No, it gets dark.
It gets dark. I get tired. We get hungry. It describes the beautiful journey of a feeling or a state.
Yes, it's the movement from one place to another. Oh, David, can you imagine? If you are waiting for a friend, you might get impatient or you might get excited.
That is just incredible. It feels so much more alive than saying I am becoming excited. It has a pulse, a rhythm.
And think of the joy of a gift. Did you receive a present for your birthday, or did you get a wonderful, mysterious surprise?
I got a surprise. It sounds so much friendlier. And if I go to the local market, can I say I get some fresh coffee?
You are a natural. You are a star. Yes, I need to get some milk, or I got a new book. It's all about bringing things into your life.
So get is like a magnet. It pulls things, feelings, and ideas toward us.
But wait, there's even more magic. When we add a tiny word after it, like get along. Do you know what that means, David?
Get along? That's about friendship, isn't it? Like the wonderful connection you and I have, Emily.
Oh, David, that warms my heart so much. We get along famously. It means we share a beautiful, harmonious bond.
Grateful. This word is truly a gift. It makes me feel like English is no longer a high wall I have to climb, but a bridge I can walk across.
Warmly. Think of the phrase, get home. It's not just arriving at a residence. It's the feeling of getting home to the people you love.
With a soft smile, I can't wait to get home. It sounds so cozy and safe. I can feel the warmth of the fireplace just saying it.
With high energy. Don't ever be afraid to use it, David. Even if you are unsure, get is your best friend. It wants to help you speak with confidence.
I will. I am going to practice every day until I get really good at using it in every conversation.
You used it perfectly. Get good. You are already getting better every single second. Your progress is stunning.
Excitedly. Can you imagine? Just yesterday I was worried about my grammar, and today I get the power of this simple word.
My dear David, your passion is contagious. Remember, language is not just a list of rules. You don't just learn it, you get into the very heart of it.
With deep appreciation, thank you, Emily. Your encouragement makes me feel like I can get through any challenge that comes my way.
And when things are hard, remember, we get over them. We rise above the struggle and find the light again.
Inspired. Get over the fear. I love that. It's so powerful and brave.
With a grand gesture. You have done so well today. You truly get the spirit of the English language.
Warmly. I feel so much more confident. I can't wait to get out there and start talking to everyone I meet.
With a huge smile. That's the spirit. Go out and get your dreams, David. You are ready.